What's going on in downtown Chicago's real estate market? Let's take a look. First, we're going to look at single-family homes in the lakefront communities through June 1st of 2025. Single-family homes. All right. Through the month of May, 100 homes closed. That is up slightly from the previous month and from the year before. 105 homes are under contract in the month of May, and that is about the same as last month and higher than the month before that. 165 homes are on the market. You can see that the inventory is still very low compared to previous years at this time of year, and certainly versus previous years in general. Because of the high demand and the low inventory, it's just what you'd expect. Prices continue to rise. In fact, we're at an all-time high of $1,442,500 for single-family homes. This equates to a 2-month inventory, and as you know, if you watch, that means it'll take 2 months to sell everything on the market. Given the rate of sale, it's very much a seller's market right now for homes in Chicago. Year to date, January through May 2025, 390 homes have closed. That's up 3.4% versus the same time last year. And that was up almost 15% versus the same time period of the year before that. All right, let's switch. Let's talk attached. And by attached, I mean condos, co-ops, and townhomes. 1,079 homes closed in the month of May this year. That was down a little bit from the year before, but up from the month before that, before April. 1,058 are under contract, and that is up a little bit from the year before and up a little bit from last month. 1,933 are for sale. Inventory is climbing a little bit, but you can see from the chart that it's still significantly below that May's of previous years. All right, that's a 2.3-month inventory. Again, very much a seller's market with condos. Keep in mind, this varies depending on building, neighborhood. This is a general number. Now, I'm going to switch the view so you can see this a little bit better. We broke it down by price. Typically, luxury condos languish and have almost a year or more supply. During the pandemic, it was up to 30 months, for heaven's sakes. But right now, there's only an 8-month supply of luxury condos on the market. The rest of them, 1 million to 2 million, there's only a 3.9-month supply, incredibly low. And of course, 1 million and under, we're looking at 2 and 2.1 months worth of inventory. Just like single family homes, the inventory is low, the demand is high, and prices are rising. $459,000 is the median sales price for all of the lakefront communities. Year to date, 4,246 have closed. That's pretty much flat versus last year through this time and up 3% versus the year before that. Freddie Mac's average interest rate, 6.89%, holding fairly steady at just under 7%. The median rent in Chicago right now is $2,150 per month. That is 8% higher than the national average and equates to $2.84 per square foot. If you look at it by bedroom, a 2-bedroom is roughly $2,500 per month, whereas a 1-bedroom is $2,000 per month. And by neighborhood, the most expensive neighborhoods to live in today are the near west side and the near north side, and that's not a typographical error. They're both $2,924 for a median apartment, not broken down by number of bedrooms. So folks, that's it. That's what's going on in the lakefront communities. I'm Anne Rossley with Baird Warner. If you have questions about your neighborhood, about your building, about what might happen if you consider buying or selling, please reach out and we'll make this work for you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.